Billie Eilish is apologizing for mouthing an anti-Asian slur in a recently resurfaced video. An edited compilation video was shared on TikTok, which appeared to show Billie as a teenager saying an extremely offensive term used in Tyler, the Creator's 2011 song, Fish. The video also showed Billie using an accent that many people believe to be her mocking Asian people. And the clip spread like wildfire on social, and many pleaded with Billie for a response and for an explanation. So Billie did post an apology on Instagram story saying, "I love you guys, and many of you have been asking me to address this, and this is something I want to address because I'm being labeled something that I'm not." She then addressed the video, writing, "There's a video edit going around of me when I was 13 or 14 where I mouthed a word from a song that at the time I didn't know was a derogatory term used against members of the Asian community. I'm appalled and embarrassed and want to barf that I ever mouthed along to that word." Now, in response to the accent, she said she was speaking in a silly, gibberish, made-up voice, something she had done since she was a kid when talking to pets, family, and friends. However, people aren't really buying that online. One person tweeted, "That was a no made-up voice, Billie." So what are your thoughts? Do you think the accent was gibberish? Was her apology sincere? Or are people looking way too much into this? Let us know your thoughts in the comments below.